This article is coming from the Motley Fool, Peter Thiel. Uh, Palantir sees skyrocketing demand for AI technologies. What its CEO has to say. This article, I learned a lot about Peter Thiel's involvement in Palantir. So let's get into it. Peter Thiel is a billionaire who is backing Palantir. So that's a good start. All right, if Palantir is into AI technology, that's another good um, area to be in moving forward. So let's get into it. Palantir's big bets on AI may be in the early stages of paying off. Data services company, which was co-founded by tech visionary Peter Thiel and CEO Alex Karp and others, is rolling out new AI-focused service platforms. Uh, Now, Palantir had a very good year in 2022. I think it was their first year of being profitable. Um, Spurred by better than expected first quarter results and excitement surrounding the company's opportunities in AI, Palantir stock is up roughly 24% following its Q1 release and conference call. Peter Thiel has been one of the most vocal, visible advocates for the potential of AI technologies. Thiel is chairman of the company's board of directors and has served in the role since the company's founding in 2003. Okay, I did not realize that this company is that old as well. Doesn't mean that it's been public since 2003, but did not realize it was in existence since for about 20 years. In addition to co-founding Palantir, now this is why this is big, right? To have the backing of Thiel. He founded PayPal, formerly serving as its CEO, and was one of the first investors in Facebook, now Meta. Thiel owned 6.5% of Palantir's Class A shares, 31.3% of the Class B shares, while 33% of the Class C shares. In total, co-founder controls 12% of the total voting rights at the company. So this is big. This is huge. At the end of April, Palantir revealed artificial intelligence platform, a service for military, governmental, and commercial applications. The software is on track to be released this month, and it could be a game changer for the company. So they gave this platform to a large insurance company to demo, and the company said it was years ahead of anything they had seen. In this case, a pre-release version of Palantir's AIP was used to build an AI-powered virtual agent to automate claims processing. From Palantir's recent earnings call, the company appears adamant in its belief that its strengths in AI are being underestimated. There's no doubt that Palantir is a high risk, high reward, but it's worth watching for investors who are interested in unfolding AI revolution. At a minimum, you should put Palantir on your watch list, but now you should definitely pay attention to it because it has the backing and the money behind it is Peter Thiel. All right, so let's go. This is the monthly chart on Palantir, and what sticks out to me is that you had a rally in price for the month of May. You had a basing candle, you had a gap higher, and then a rally this month. So it is safe to say that we have monthly buyers at the say $14 level. In which the chart suggests price can go higher. Let's put a target at $20, where we have what was previous support. Something looks here, this wick over wick. You also have another wick over wick, but we need to go on a smaller time frame just to analyze those levels a bit more. Let's drop down to the weekly chart. And based on the moving averages, the momentum is definitely to the upside after this rounding bottom type pattern where you had prices making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, higher low, higher low. higher high, higher low. And the question is, why did price pull back here? Well, when I look at current price and I look to the left, I see a drop, base in candles, and a huge drop down. So that tells me that there are sellers in this level right here. So I could say that price is range bound. That's weekly sellers at, we'll say 1850. So I could say price is range bound, but typically the dominant higher time frame tends to win out. And so what I anticipate is, well, you already had the pullback, right? Price sold off from 19, came down to as low as 16, and now you're getting the continuation of the impulse move higher. However, the better buy is if price can get down to the monthly bias level at 14 and then continue higher. The better structure would be as price could take out this weekly sellers level, pierce the $20 level, pull back to the $14 level, and then shoot higher. But if the momentum is too great, you want to look for price to take out the level, pull back to that 1850 level, which becomes a flip zone, and then moves higher from there. So you got three scenarios that can pan out based on momentum, not only in Palantir, but also in the overall markets. Personally, I would prefer if price pulled back to $14 to resume its upward continuation in price. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.